Julie Dondon Patidongan, aka Totoy, claims to be in the inner circle of cockfighting high priest and gambling lord Atong Ang's trusted few. But the revival of the cold case of the 34 missing cockfighting gamers has left Totoy nowhere to go but to tell all what he knows about where the bodies lay and those behind the gruesome crime. Ryan Lesigas has more on alias Totoy in police custody and the survivors and loved ones of the missing cockfighting gamers who only want closure through the discovery and proper burial of the remains.
Emotionally, some relatives of the missing cockfighters went to the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group or CIDG. Their purpose, to request the cases of their missing loved ones be resolved. Francisca is pleading for help to find her son who was among the cockfighters that mysteriously disappeared 4 years ago. Her son, John Paul De Luna Ramos, was one of the youngest to go missing. His mother begs that even recovery of his remains would suffice so they can at least give him a decent burial. She also asking for justice for what happened to her son.
Bakit naman po ganun, napakasakit po para sa akin. Para naman pong halip na pinatay ang aking anak. Wala naman po para sa akin. Wala naman pong magulang na itataboy ang anak.
The PNP assured to not ignore the revelations made by alias Totoy. In fact, the 15 police officers allegedly involved in the disappearance of the cockfighters are now under restrictive custody. According to PNP Chief Police General Nicolas Torre III, they have started the investigation against these officers to initiate administrative and criminal charges.
Isang sigurado rito, hindi namin sila bibigyan ng luwag, hindi namin sila bibigyan ng puwang na paglaruan ng ating justisya.
A lieutenant colonel is reportedly the highest-ranking officer involved in the case.
Wala tayong sisinuhin dito, wala tayong ibang magiging layunin dito, kundi bigyan lang ng hustisya itong mga naging biktima ng case na ito.
Torre also confirmed that the whistleblower in the case of the missing cockfighter, Julie Patidongan alias Totoy, is under their protective custody. According to Torre, Totoy is in their care pending results of his application into the Witness Protection Program and will be remanded over to the Department of Justice if need be.
We have to put it under wraps to ensure na hindi ma-preempt ang aming mga moves. Kaya nga kami nakakuha ng voluminous evidence dahil medyo under the radar ang pagkuha namin ng mga information na yan. Nag-follow up kami para masiguradong matibay ang kaso.
At present, the PNP is identifying other possible locations where the missing cockfighters might have been dumped. Torre emphasized they have information indicating that some bodies were disposed somewhere else besides Taal Lake. In addition, there are claims some cockfighters were torched while others were buried. Torre admitted that finding the bodies of the missing cockfighters is a major challenge for them. Ryan Lesigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines, Camp Crame.